We're going to be talking about Bible study and how to journal. So first of all, I've been a believer for a very long time, and I always felt like because of books in the stores, there was a right way and a wrong way to do Bible study and to journal. That's not true. Devotionals, they got devotionals for young children, for older children, for adults. All it is, I found this over the years, all it is are amazing prompts and helps from people who are trying to help others, trying to help them dive deeper into their studies, to dive deeper into the Bible, to find a deeper meaning in it rather than just reading it. Because at some point, it's more than just reading it, it's studying it, it's better understanding it. So devotionals, I think, really are great. They are great conversation starters. They are wonderful for if you don't know where to start, or if you have not found a church yet to help you find focus. But they are just helps. I have seen some, and I was guilty of it too, who would get the devotionals and I would only focus on what was there. I would read that. I would read the specific Bible verses that went along with it, and I would put down my notes and my thoughts. And that was as far as I would go. But to truly have it work, you've got to still have the Bible. It is so easy to accidentally take verses and the study out of context to make it into something it's not. And the best way to avoid that is to have the Bible right along with it. And you don't even have to have those. If you're further along, if you know that you're confident in how you study, you pray beforehand, you have a pretty good idea of what works best for you, you can have them. You don't need fancy, cute journals that are blank. You can have something as simple as a notebook, or if you write a lot, like I sometimes do, just get a binder and a lot of loose leaf paper. It can look as fancy or as simple as you want it to be. It's for you and between you and God. You don't have to complicate it. Just do what's best for you.